Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create text-to-speech for TikTok PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to search for this website. You can search for the countic.com, and after you have found this website, you will be able to use this website to generate TikTok text-to-speech. And here you can choose the language you want to use, and I'm just going to use English. And then we can choose the voice we want to apply to the text-to-speech. And for instance, I'm just going to select this trickster voice. Okay, then you can type your text here. For example, I'm just going to type in, "Hello guys, welcome to my channel." Okay, just like this guys, and then you can click on generate, and this website will automatically generate TikTok text-to-speech for you. And this is the result. I'm going to play it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Alright, and if you want to download it, you can click on the download icon, and the voice will be saved to your device and you will be able to use it for your TikTok PC. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create TikTok text-to-speech for PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.